Model, 2015 Vauxhall Combo 2000 1.3CDTi ecoFLEX S, 90 PS, L1H1 spares OR repairs open mouth smile. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 93,164. MOT, 15 June 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% fine. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status.